morning po, Kaduray. Maagang ang aming gising. Punta po kami sa, bumili po kami ng ano yun, rooftop. Ano, tawag doon? Rooftop tent. Yung tent. Rooftop tent. Yung tent na nakalagay sa ano ga, sa ibabaw ng car. So we will see what this look like. And ako, very far. We're going to drive far today. About 4 hours. 5 hours. It's in north in Sweden. I think north, but it's colder. It's colder there and here in south.
No.
Oh man, what's that? Abby, what's
It's
that?
not colder.
I don't know.
Same.
Because it's morning, so it's same. But 4 hours, and then we will go back again for 4 hours to 8 hours. 8 hours and 9 hours. It depends on traffic or something also. So you never know. Maybe it's snow down there or up there. Kaduray, very early in the morning. So now we're going now, and see you in a minute. So while we are driving, I will show you a bit of it. So thank you. See you in a minute. Tingnan naman nyo ang aking kuwan sa aking liig, my neck. So because it's 4 hours, so I have to sleep. My hubbies will drive. Hello, hubby. He will drive. So doon malayo. I mean sleep. So thank you and see you a minute. Tayo dito magbibinsin ang tawag doon, gasolina, pero gasolina saka kuha ng toilet and but maybe ice cream. See you pa. Mahal na magka-cafe kasi sarap yun isa naman tayo sarap nito ang ganda yan magpapause muna tayo. Napapaihi na. Ay, dala-dala ko pa yung nasa aking yung aking sa liig. Kanga ng mga tao din napapaano ga itong Kaduray. Nakaano pa Ay, wala namang natao. Narito kami sa forest. Malayo pa kami sa pupuntahan namin. Ay napapaihi na. Ayan, nakita ng tubig din sa likod. Sa tubig. So, alam mo yan. Tubig is life. Ilang pang oras? 2 years. 2 hours pa. Magpapause muna. Siyempre, ako naman hindi makapag-drive ng car ng aking asawa. Hindi ko vibes yun. Siya na lamang magdadrive lagi. Di pause kami ng pause. So, siya, mamaya na uli. Ba, ang buhok ko tumalsik na. Sige, mamaya. Stop na uli tayo. Pagka nito matanda na, lagi na ihi. Lagi pa ihi. Mag-stop muna tayo. Stretch your legs and arms. Yan dito sa sa stop pa natin. Titingnan ko yung yung kuha nila, ruin. We will see the ruin. Some ruins castle, I think. I will see. Come with me. Yeah. Yan. Punta ho tayo dun sa ruin. Ruin. Yung yung castle, That is that castle? Castle? Ay, castle yan tayo. Yeah, observatorium. I don't know in English, but observatory. Yeah, observatory. Daw, nung many years ago. But now it's ruin. A ruin. You will see. It's cold today. But I will show you this one. And stop, pause, stop time. Now, here we go. Ruin. I don't know in English, but we will look this one. Yeah. This is the ruin. And it's nice view. Nice view, isn't it? Kaganda ng pagka may bahay kang ganere, bago ari ang iyong view. Nice. Alis na tayo. Drive na uli. We'll drive again. This is the ruin. It's really nice, isn't it? So, maganda ang view niya. Guna-gunahin habang tayo nandito pa eh. Ito ang typical ng yung mga red and white na na ano dun, yung mga bahay sa ano, Swedish. Ang tawag dito, Brahehus. Yun nga ano, ruin ng ano, ano sabi nga ni Mr. Minsan na hindi ko na naiikon sa aking mind. Yan ka namang maaga ang gising kanina. Ay, day off pa. Oh, may maganda mang bulaklak dito. Oh. Tingnan yun. Ito yung bulaklak na hindi pwedeng pitasin. Oh, kailan nyo ito? Yan. Yan. Ito. Hindi dapat may pitasin yan. Pero, ako muna iaamoy. Amuyin ko. Ay, walang amoy pero maganda siya. At ilagay natin doon, baka tayo madali. So we are going to drive again. I think it's one and a half hour, and then we will get there. So, because today we are picking up our rooftop tent that we bought, and then yeah, on the way doon, we're going to make some vlog for you guys. See you. Drive again. Kaduray. Uy. Narito na po kami. Yan yung tent na aming binili. Ganyan po yan. Pagka nasa ibabaw ng sasakyan, punta kayo sa loob. Yan, 2 tao. Ayos na. Doon matutulog. 140 cm bread. Yung ano, lawak niyan. Ayos na rin. So, ayan, yung asawa ko, ano niya, pinifix niya. Dahil nga malayo pang aming pupuntahan sa amin. At yan. Gayon. Parang nakaturok. Yan. Para yun. Kanyang ano, para secure. Hello. Hello. Kalakay mo. Baka kayo mga gat. Baka kayo mga gat. Kik. Ay. Oh, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, kauinan mo yan. Katuray, amoy. Nakakatakot din. Hi. Nakakatakot. Oh. Hi. Ito. Hi, Sean. Hello, Finn. Galing naman ko, kalambot. No, tuy Finn. Yo. Ang ganda ng laki ng ito. Laki ng kabayo, mga paa, oh. Kabait niya. Mabait siya. Oh. Bye-bye. Hello. Yan, nandito po ako. Kami nagpa-pause, nag-stop. So, ngayon kami narito sa may gubat, may tubig. We just pick up the rooftop tent that we bought. And then, yeah, some stop. And I saw this place. It's not seawater. This is a river. No, I don't know. Because this is not in the south, very south, where I live. I think this is Lake, yeah, the lake. Lake po ang pangalan doon. Yun, I see this view. So I think I will show you. At the back. Wait, I will flip the camera. Nice view. The bridge going to, we call that Stockholm maybe. I think in Stockholm area you're shopping. Sorry guys. Under the bridge. Lakad tayo sa under the bridge. Abang may time. So we are here in the under the bridge. It's nice here. Very nice. Nice landscape. Oh. So we are under the bridge. Woo. Tug. Oh, you can hear the cars above. Yeah. Itong Rastplatz ang tawag doon. Yung pagka stop kayo pag malayo ang dinadriban. So, maganda ang paligid. Yung sa tubig. At magtsatsa kami ng konti. Yung nakuha na namin yung aming tent. We just pick up this tent behind me. Yeah, that's a rooftop tent. So, you will see sa aming bakasyon sa summer. Gagamitin namin yan. We will try. We have that same as before many years ago, but we sold it. And now my husband think he missed the yung tilt. So we will try this summer. Maybe you can find me. Oy. Galing ko. Sige, see you. Yan, magtsatsa kami dito. May dala kaming thermos. Magtsatsa. We're going to have tea. Nagtsa kami tigagisa. So, chat time! Yan, nakita ko ng tagito, mapa. Itong areang ito ay tubig ang palibot. Yun, lake. Ang galing niya. This area called what you call that? Askersund. Yan. This area is only water. Look, water. Pagka umulan siguro ng madami. Lahat ng buong island na ito lubog.